Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Kalong shisha ka khubor ka ba anam la satyaban ngai ba hapo ka Wkhd district kidan haduk khandai phau Tylli ki Skul hendai dan pat tang uwei Nonghikai Skul kani ka jing pentip kala pau pat ba ha ka jing dait banya kendu ki khot jong ka nyau trap youth council jong ka Wkhd district ya urakam e sangma ubre menteri ketran puli puthi jong ka sarkar jala Habai krem mikla pathai khubor menteri sarkar bapet ya katrat puli dangle urakam isang maulai thu baula pentip shaki ba ka sarkar ka deban penben na ka bentaban khot interview M10 na ka benta ki candidate ka banlong ha ka khat santri ubnai nai wing na ka bentaban pendap ki post ki balan hadu 6000 arspa Tylli ha ka government LP school bat palat lai spa ne south spa Tylli ha ki kerdan upper primary school
delegation it's certain number local level. Suppose in Wkhd there are 90 schools, only having one teacher's age, all things all that. So we have informed them that in next we have already scheduled the interview for the MTET. MTET qualified candidate will be held from 15th of November to fill up more than 1,200 vacancies in the government LP school and more than 300-400 in UP school. For lower primary school, interview has been fixed from 15th of November 2023, and we will try to complete the process before Christmas. And before the Christmas, I think we will be able to give the appointment to the qualified candidate in the interview.